aviation businesses do you know survive a serious accident? How about I get you that CASA Safety advisor's number?
Most of us have certain moments in our lives when we wished we'd made a different decision. What if John is given this chance?
Look, I was amazed how they really helped turn my business around. Besides, come on mate, it's the way of the future.
Yeah, well, anything's got to be better than the way I'm going.
All right, I'll text you the number.
Thanks, mate.
And look, you won't regret it. If there's anything else I can do to help you, just let me know. We've got to be sharing this kind of information so we can all work smarter.
It makes sense. It makes sense, all right? What do you want, blood?
No.
Makes sense, mate. Thanks.
Oh.
Hi, I'm Kim. I'm from CASA.
John's taken the first steps toward a safety management system. Safety advisors are keen to assist operators and are only a phone call away. Either visit the CASA website or call 131 757.
This is the latest CASA Safety Management System kit.
Oh, great.
There's a lot more resources available on the CASA website, including a template SMS.
Oh, what? So it's just a matter of going online and putting our name in there and...
Well, it's not quite that simple. Obviously, you're going to be able to identify your own hazards and risks, and when you have a safety officer in place, they'll be able to help you out further as well.
Oh, we got the perfect person.
They need to have knowledge of safety management systems.
She's as keen as mustard. Majored in aviation management and spruiked some benefits of SMS.
She sounds perfect.
She definitely would be.
How's it look, love?
Yeah, good.
Impressed?
Definitely.
John hires an assistant to help in the office, freeing up Joan to concentrate on the important aspects of the business and to have more time with the family.
It's calendar-based and predictive, so it will pick up our usual clients.
Okay, will it flag appointments?
Yep, sure will. And will also give us reminders.
Okay. Too easy.
Yep.
John also sets the wheels in motion to set up an SMS.
Trish.
His first step is to appoint Trish as the safety officer.
Now, Trish, I know you studied safety management at uni. How would you like to be our safety officer? And of course, there'll be a small pay incentive in there for you.
When do I get started?
Well, there's no time like the present, really.
Now we've lost the pin board, let's introduce the latest risk management software.
That's good.
Trish organises a meeting with the management team. Both formal and informal safety meetings are vital to building and maintaining a safety management system. So John brings together his entire workforce to encourage them to contribute to their safety.
Well, hi, everyone. I have an announcement to make. Trish is now our safety officer. She's going to help us build a safety management system. There'll be a lot of work, so we've all got to get involved. Everyone's input will be valued, and from now on, we're putting safety first. Congratulations.
Thanks, John. Thanks, everybody. Okay, we need to start by turning over every stone and find our gotchas, and together find ways and means of managing them. So the first item on the agenda are our new safety reporting forms.
John and Trish encourage the team to contribute to strategies to help identify risks and solutions. With the help of Trish, they create an open reporting system and guarantee feedback.
We need to talk to each other in order to build a safety management system.
Righto then, well, I want to bring up the point on Rowan's trucks and the way they pack their crates. It's just plain dangerous. And our luggage trolleys. We've got to get the brakes fixed on those.
Okay, clearly we have issues.
John takes the upper hand to make sure Rowan trucks package their parts correctly.
We'll double check the weights along with the crates. Yep. And I want it clearly shown on the paperwork as well as the crates.
Yep.
Okay, is that everything?
Well, you know, I mean, this can't go on the aircrafts like this. I mean, it's a real safety issue. What do you reckon, Bill?
I am sick of these crates breaking, and I'm not going to load them if they're this dodgy. And I'm going to keep bringing it up at every safety meeting.
And we need to manage our fatigue better. So if you're feeling fatigued, you need to let us know so we can make some observations and work out what we're doing wrong.
The business continues to grow. So Nathan steps up to the plate and becomes the chief pilot. He calls a pilot meeting to work out the best way to manage fatigue and sets up a system to be reviewed in 1 month's time. Their first steps are to review rostering, stock the fridge with water and healthy snacks, and create a crew rest area. They also discuss hotels that are best suited to sleep and fatigue recovery.
Okay, we're going to have to update the ops manual with this stuff and document it.
The team meet with Peter to talk about maintenance and search for common risks and solutions, and look for better ways to manage their aircraft.
So I think it's a good idea if the pilots start using those shade reflectors. You put them in the dashes whenever you park in the aircraft. They're cheap as chips from auto shops now.
Yeah.
Also, we need to discuss some techniques to help prevent prop damage.
Yeah, well, we are landing in quite a lot of remote strips.
Yeah. Well, keep your revs down, find a suitable run-up bay, that kind of thing.
Yeah. Sounds good. And I'd like the pilots to learn firsthand from the engineers exactly what to look for when they're doing their dailies.
Yeah, it's a great idea. You should organise a time.
Yeah, I like it. I'm impressed, guys.
So you can see this has been blended. If you guys find a serious stone chip and you've got mobile access, just take a shot of it. Send us the picture, that way you can work out whether the aircraft's serviceable or not. Wingtip, I want to show you this.
Bill completes a safety incident report, and after being tabled at the safety meeting, it's agreed that all trolleys' brakes be checked and repaired with ongoing maintenance, with additional trolleys to be purchased to cover times when some are out of action. With his business back on track, John gets the time to rediscover his family.
How's it go down?